Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on changing the default web browser to be used by Windows 10. This will change which browser opens when clicking links in Windows 10. By default, Internet Explorer will be the browser. This is how you can change it. If you find this video helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. Begin by opening up the Start menu, then click on the Settings button. From the settings, click on Apps. Now select Default Apps from the left sidebar. Under Web Browser, select Internet Explorer and this will open the option to change to a different web browser. Select the one you want. Your default web browser on Windows 10 has now been changed. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Windows tips and tricks.